Hey guys, this is Esme. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget like, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. And today I got two special guests. Got my cousin Zelda, and I got my other cousin, if she can come. Hey, come on. My other cousin Evelyn. And today we're doing the blindfolded slime challenge with Zelda because Evelyn's too little.
Yeah.
So I got this shirt. Let me see. Be quiet, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna put this right there. So this is what you're gonna be needing. You need some of this. Go turn on the light. So I got my bucket that I got for Easter right here. My dad bought it for me. I got a bowl. Some glue that is almost out. Another bowl. And some soap. And then if I didn't do this, we got this. And also got some shaving cream. We got some laundry detergent. So we're gonna put this down here, put you down there. And then, okay, so we're going to get started. If somebody walks in, that's fine.
But when it's Nick, he's fine.
If it's my other cousin Nick, if you didn't see that video that I posted of me and my cousin Nick.
No.
No, I'm talking about the viewers. If you didn't see that video, go check it out.
Yeah. And I don't know why I'm getting blindfolded.
Because we're getting ready to do it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put the glue in first, so it won't like spill everywhere.
I'm doing that. We're doing the blindfold challenge.
Now take the blindfold off. We're doing a little bit of glue and a little bit of shaving cream.
But we can't know what it is. I'm gonna put our fingers in it.
And yeah, after we're done doing the blindfold sponge challenge.
I believe it.
I'm gonna get my blindfolded on and then we're gonna get started.
Yeah.
So Evelyn, do not touch nothing.
No.
Oh, are you ready to get started, Zoe?
Yeah.
So,
I'm excited.
here goes the bucket. I got the shaving cream.
Here you go.
Yeah. This is your bowl.
What's my book? Okay.
Don't spill it. Do not spill it. I'm gonna put some shaving cream
Here, I'm gonna touch it.
in. Shoot.
Can we touch it yet? Hey!
No. Evelyn, don't touch it. Now we're gonna mix it. I can't see joint. I can't see nothing.
I see black. This is gray?
I see gray.
I see black.
Alright, start mixing it. Okay, I'm gonna get the eye contact solution. Let me see. Is this your bowl?
Yeah.
Alright, mix it. I think I just got some on me.
Yummy. We're gonna poke it. Are we gonna poke it when we're done?
Yeah. I can't see nothing. It's so hard.
Yeah, me too.
You already put the detergent in?
Yeah.
That's gonna be the scariest part ever. 'Cause
It's gonna get midnight. What's gonna be the scary part?
Oh, he's tripping! He's tripping on me.
Let me see.
Oh, shoot.
What I'm gonna see?
You got your bow? Where's your bow?
What here?
Alright, mix it. I have to clean myself later.
Mine's hard. Mine's almost like slime. Mine's almost like slime. Watch out for the next YouTubers with your next weekend. I'm telling them that. I'm telling the subscribers. Evelyn!
Evelyn, stop. take off your blindfolds?
Yeah.
Oh
Hey,
my.
mine look like slime.
Because you didn't mix it enough. My God.
Mine,
Look
hey,
at
how mine's not? How you guys saying?
Mix it. This is not no dang jinkin slime. Okay. So, I'm surprised I didn't spill nothing. Go. If I did, then I'm gonna get a journal. Okay, just go into the garbage.
Yeah.
So-
Make sure to see the next video. What happened for the next video when I mean has me.
So don't forget like, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. So bye.